What are we trying to do here? PopUp Afrika, the name will tell you. We are trying to retell the story of Africa, the Ghana on the Lesotho
PopUp Afrika is going places. It's a worthy partnership, and we felt there is no way we cannot be part of it.
Storytelling is the only way that we are going to suppress the negative narrative that exists about Lesotho online, and with the lives of PopUp Afrika by our side, then the road to experiencing a higher level of joy in the Mountain Kingdom is assured.